You are going to love the 2019 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security system, capless fuel filler system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.